Are you confused whether the relationship is working or not? If that's the case, then let's have a chat. Hello everybody, my name is Christiana Amo-Kyereme of ChristyAmo-Kyereme.com. I'm a family life strategist and a behavioral therapist. What that means is I help families take out anything that causes pain. If your relationship isn't working, I help you solve the problems that comes with it. I help you, give you ideas, and help you identify all the things that can create problems and help you take them out. I show you what to say, what to do, and so I don't just give you ideas, but I guide you step by step on how to make things work. I also work with young people who have behavioral problems, academic challenges, and then give them a focus in life, something to help them transfer all negative energies into positive energies by helping them start businesses that they can do for themselves right from the comfort of their home. I will help you identify the things that you need that are going to help you be able to start businesses. Is this the first time you're hearing about starting your business? Yes, there's an opportunity for everybody, including you. And so seize on this opportunity and then join me. I also work with young children with autism, ADHD, and all sorts of behavioral problems. And so if you're wondering where to go, do not look far. You're welcome to contact me at ChristyAmo-Kyereme.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate that you're constantly on here supporting me. Kindly like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and then click on the bell on the side so that next time I come, you will be notified and then come in and join me. I really do appreciate you. Now in today's video, our focus is on identifying whether the relationship is working or not, and then what you have to do, which is definitely letting go. Is your man not giving you the attention he used to give you just when you met? He used to call you all the time, message you, looking for you all over the place, but all of a sudden, all of that has stopped. If that is the situation, then there's a problem, and you either address it or you have to let it go because something is wrong and it just looks like the person has checked out, but you are still forcing to make the relationship work. Does the guy give you mixed messages? Today he's nice, tomorrow he's not. Tomorrow he picks up the call, the next day he's not available. He's happy bringing you gifts today, and tomorrow you are the worst person he's ever met in his life. If this is what you're going through, then you need to advise yourself. You either have a conversation or you have to let go. The third thing is he still asking how you're doing? Does he wake up and you're the first person he's texting, messaging? You want to find out. If that is not happening, then there's definitely something going on. Has he stopped asking you out on dates? Has he stopped buying you gifts? Has he stopped checking in on you to see how you are doing? Has he stopped doing all those surprising things that used to sweep you off your feet? If that's the situation, then there's definitely something wrong, and you either talk about it or let it go. Move on and do something else good with your life. He used to check on you all the time. Maybe you are the one who's constantly now trying to call him and trying to fill in all the absences and the silences with conversations that he definitely is not interested in. It's time to let go. Are you still holding on to this guy because you feel like if you leave, there might not be anybody else who is interested in you? You might feel like, oh no, this is the only one who loves you, who has shown you attention, and so if you let go, you won't find anyone. Are you thinking of going on dating apps or dating website to find somebody, but you're not sure? Oh, it looks like he's on today, he's off tomorrow. If that is how you feel, then your feelings are very true. It's time to let go. Let me tell you, the one thing you have to remember is when someone walks out of your life, they are the real losers, not you. You are so important, so love yourself so much so that you don't let anybody direct your path when it comes to whom you have to be with. Why? Because if that guy or that girl realizes this is how you feel about them, They're gonna walk all over you, take you all so for granted. And remember, you are a prince, you are a princess, and so you want to be treated beautifully, with respect, with all the good stuff. Just because you are a princess, you want to be treated like a princess. Thank you so much for listening in. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.